Good morning, everybody. I welcome you in my class. Today I am going to teach you the degrees of comparison. The degrees of comparison. Before I have already taught degrees of comparison, but that was only on the words. For example, I have said that tall, taller, tallest, intelligent, more intelligent, and most intelligent. I have said that when we compare between two, we add er with the word, and that is called comparative degree. And when we compare one with the other, I mean with all other, so that comparison is called superlative degree, and we add est with the word. Okay, as I said, tall, taller, tallest. Rita is taller than Meena. Okay, or Rita is the tallest girl in the class. And when we cannot add er or est, we use more, most. She is very beautiful. This is a positive degree. She is more beautiful than her sister. She is more beautiful than her sister. Comparative degree. She is the most beautiful girl in the area. She is the most beautiful girl in her family. So she is the most beautiful is superlative degree. But today what I am going to tell is something different. We are going to do degrees of comparison in the sentences. Here you see there are 4 types I am going to teach you. How many types? The 4 types. I am going to teach you the 4 types of degrees of comparison. Here the type 1 I am going to discuss you first. The type 1 is the here what comes under type 1 category. In type 1 category, the comparison is between two. Here, the sentences will be either in positive degree or in the comparative degree. Okay. So, such type of sentences I am going to solve first. That comes under type 1. When the comparison is between two. The sentence can be either in positive degree or in comparative degree. Here, superlative degree I am not teaching now. That will come in the next type. Okay. So here one example I have written, as you can see, health is better than wealth. Health is better than wealth. This is which degree? Positive, comparative or superlative? Which degree is it? This is comparative degree. This is comparative degree. Okay, health is better than wealth. As you can see the comparison, how can you identify whether this sentence is positive, comparative and superlative? How can you understand? Here you see better. The positive degree is good, comparative is better, and what would be the superlative degree? Best. So here better than. Through these words you can understand that this is comparative degree. Okay. Now as you came to know this is comparative degree, you can change this sentence into positive degree. But one thing you remember, this sentence cannot be changed into superlative degree. It's not possible. Because here there are two words, two names, health and wealth. The comparison is between two. When we compare two, then only positive and comparative is possible. Superlative for that is not possible. So coming to this question, health is better than wealth. How can we change this into positive degree? One thing you keep it in mind, when we change this into positive degree, this word will also be changed because this is a word of comparison, comparative. So here in this case we start from the second word. Here wealth. Wealth is not so better. Positive will be good. Wealth is not so good as health. Wealth is not so good as health. Now for example, this is the question. Wealth is not so good as health. You can change this sentence into comparative. Health is better than wealth. Don't worry, I am going to solve some more question of the same type 1. Okay. Now have a look to this. I am giving one more example of the same type, that is type 1. Okay, another example. This time I am writing in positive. Let us change into comparative. In type 1, as I said, that we can change comparative into positive or positive into comparative. There is no role of superlative in this case. So another example, Virat is not so clever. Virat is not so clever as Dhoni. Okay, Virat is not so clever as Dhoni. How can you change this sentence into comparative? This is positive because this word is clever. Comparative is cleverer and superlative will be cleverest. So if we change, as I said, that we start writing from the next word, not from the first word. So it will be Dhoni is cleverer. Dhoni is cleverer than Virat. Dhoni is cleverer than Virat. Okay. If the question is Dhoni is cleverer than Virat, change into positive. Answer will be Virat is not so clever as Dhoni. Okay. One more example. Okay, of the same type. Now I am discussing type 1. 2-3 examples I am giving so that it can be clear in your mind. You can understand this type 1 properly. Okay. Next, rabbit is faster. Rabbit is faster than rat. Okay, suppose this is an example. Rabbit is faster than a rat. How can you change this? This is comparative. As you can see, the word faster, this is the word of comparison. So rabbit is faster than a rat. Answer would be a rat is, now you can answer, a rat is. One thing, did you notice in the two sentences, if one sentence is positive, second goes negative, so that meaning should not change. If we write both the sentences in positive, then meaning would change. So did you notice in the last two sentences, where there was positive sentence, answer was in negative. If the question is in negative, answer would be in positive. In this case, type 1 we are discussing now. A rat is not so fast. A rat is not so fast. A rat is not so fast as rabbit. A rat is not so fast as rabbit. Did you understand? Before I have given health is better than wealth. So wealth is not so good as wealth. Not was added. Okay. So this was type 1, where we have positive and comparative degree. So you can write many more questions of type 1 and you can solve. You can write your own sentences. You can make questions, you can frame, or you can get question from anywhere, from your book, from the Google. Now coming to the type 2. Type 2 includes see here, Ashoka. One example I have written, Ashoka was the greatest king in the world. Ashoka was the greatest king in the world. How can you identify the type 2? Here I have written the and est form. Whenever there is the and any est word, that is type 2. That is type 2. So this sentence you can change into comparative as well as, it is already in superlative. So how can you change it into superlative? This sentence, Ashoka was the greatest king in the world. So the greatest. This sentence is in superlative degree. So you can change this sentence in comparative as well as in positive degree. You can change this sentence in comparative degree as well as in positive degree. Okay. So here one formula I am going to tell you. Remember one formula. See here the greatest is given. So the, whenever the is given, TAN, tan. This formula you remember. What would happen with this formula? T, the greatest is given, and EST form is written here also, and it starts with T, ends with T. The main word is this one, the greatest. So starting with T, ending with T in the question. The greatest. So one T went. Now A and N. What is this A? This A we are going to use in comparative, and this N we are going to use in positive. How? I am telling you. A means any other. A means any other. When we would change in comparative degree, we have to use any other. And when we will change into positive degree, we have to use no other. Okay. Now how? I am going to tell you. Ashoka was the greatest king in the world. Here we are making comparison. We are saying that Ashoka, we are comparing Ashoka with the all other soldiers, with all other fighters. So Ashoka was the greatest king. We are comparing Ashoka with all other kings. Sorry. So Ashoka was the greatest king. Here the comparison is between Ashoka and the other kings. Okay. So comparative degree, we will start from Ashoka only. Remember, here we were starting in type 1 with the second word, but here we will start from this itself. It means Ashoka was greatest. What will be the comparative degree? Greater. Okay, as we are changing into comparative, so the greatest will be greater. Ashoka was greater. Then we have to use, you already know that always after ER we have to use the word then. Ashoka was greater than any other. You have to use here any other. Ashoka was greater than any other kings in the world. Any other king in the world. Ashoka was greater than any other king in the world. So Ashoka is the greatest king in the world. Comparative degree will be Ashoka is greater than any other king in the world. Now coming to positive degree, we will start from no other. We will start from no other. Okay. Remember this. No other king. No other king is. No other king is. No other king is as great as Ashoka. No other king is as great as Ashoka, or so good, so great also you can write. No other king is so great as Ashoka, or here you can go with so also. So no other king is so great as Ashoka. This is the positive degree. Okay. So in the same way you can solve some other questions also. Type 1 I hope was easy and you have understood. And type 2, it includes all the 3 degrees. Positive, comparative as well as superlative. So, and type 1 includes only positive and comparative. Now this type 2, I feel one more example is required. So one more example of this type 2. Neha is, I am writing in some other degree here now. Neha is cutest. Neha is cuter. Neha is cuter than any other girl. Neha is cuter than any other girl in her class. In her class. Now in this question you see, Neha is cuter than any other girl in her class. Here you can see any other. It means this is type 2. As the word is cuter than, you can understand that this is comparative degree, ER form. How can we identify comparative and superlative degree? Just by looking at the ER or EST form. If the word is EST, cutest, then it would be superlative, but this is cuter, ER. So this is comparative degree, but this comes under not type 1, this is type 2, any other you can see here. Okay, the comparison is not between two. In type 1 the comparison was between two, but here the comparison is not between two, this is type 2. As you can see, this any other. How can you change it into superlative? Before this question, the question was in superlative, we changed that question into comparative, but this is comparative, we will change into superlative and then positive. Question can be in any form, it can be in positive also, you can change into comparative and superlative. So this sentence is in comparative, let us change it into superlative. So Neha is cuter than any other girl in her class. What would be the answer? Neha is the cutest girl. Neha is the cutest girl in her class. Neha is the cutest girl in her class. Okay, what would be the positive degree for it? Positive degree, as I said, no other girl, no other girl in the class. You can add in the class at last also. No other girl in the class is so cute. No other girl in the class is so cute as Neha. So this was the example of type 2. Now type 3 and type 4 is also there, that I am going to tell you, type 3 and type 4. But type 1 and type 2 you need to practice properly so that you can understand this. But we need to solve some more question in type 1 and type 2. I'm thinking to make type 3 and type 4 in my next video, because at a time if I tell you, I think you may get confused. So I don't want to make you confused, because this is the words, changing the words into comparative and superlative is easy, but here these are the sentences. The whole sentence you have to change from positive to comparative, then to superlative, or else from comparative to positive or superlative, from superlative to positive and comparative. So these things will be too much confusing, I feel, for you, and I don't want to make the things confusing. First you practice this type 1 and type 2 questions. I'll meet you in the next video with type 3 and type 4 of degrees of comparison. Okay, so by that time you solve some more questions. Okay, thank you, have a good day.